That's the critical question that we need to look at. Give me a moment, because I'm also joined at this moment by Gaurav Bhatia of the Bharatiya Janata Party, one of the BJP's well-known television spokespeople. Gaurav, welcome. Can you give our viewers a sense of the thinking within the government and the rationale behind calling this all-party meeting on the 19th, Gaurav?
The media is showing it that there is an all-party meeting. And I think the reason is also very clear that this is a moment when the opposition parties should also be in the loop and they should be aware of what the government and the army intends to do. And the nation should stand together, united. That is the spirit of the, talks and dialogue that will take place.
Opposition will say that you are essentially trying to downplay the situation, hide the military build-up. Remember, this satellite image which we've now got access to is post the confrontation. The Indian Army, through the NTRO, that's the National Technical Reconnaissance Organization, actually has live, instantaneous satellite imagery available, and they'll say you were already seeing this and yet you were trying to downplay the situation, and Gaurav Bhatia, you will be asked to explain why.
See, Rahul, first of all, linking an all-party meeting with, the ground reality and the, decision that will be taken by the government is not correct. Second, I think the Indian Army is a brave Indian Army. This is a strong government headed by Narendra Modi ji. We will take all measures to ensure that China is shown its place, and at the same time, if we engage with China as dialogues are taking place at the military level, it would be from a position of strength. That much I can say at this crucial juncture.
Okay, thanks Gaurav for joining us. Brahma Chelani joins us. Very few people understand China in quite the way Brahma Chelani does. In fact, a lot of what we're seeing play out has been part of Brahma Chelani's lifelong body of work, where he's been advocating a far tougher position on China than past Indian governments have shown. And I want to put that question to you, Brahma. As you look at these images of the intensity of the Chinese build-up, every person who's watching would like to know, from your perspective, why do you think the Chinese are building up in this crazy fashion? Why in the Galwan sector, and why with this intensity? Brahma? Okay. We seem to have lost Brahma just for a moment. I'm going to take a very quick break. We'll come back and we'll have a lot more for you. On the other side, we're looking at these exclusive images, access, which really put a locational context to the confrontation between the Indian and the Chinese armies. And we'll also have political reactions to the all-party meeting that's been called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That and more when we come back on the other side. Stay with us. Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.